Venezuelan crew with English and US visa to Embark 1081. We are every day innovating, developing, research, development, new projects. And one of the biggest projects today is that Asians cannot fly to Europe. There is no plane seats, number one. Number two, they are very expensive, and a lot of ships are already now Atlantic, Pacific, which Venezuela is strategically very well situated. We could really grow the numbers of Venezuela employed officers and ratings times 10, times 20, times 30, times 40. It's very easy. Incompetent European governments or other Stone Age governments are going to do zero. So this great opportunity, then please learn English. Venezolanos, venezolanas, aprender inglés muy urgente. If you have US visa, apply. Crew Inspector Candina. We need fitters, mecánicos, $2,200 container bulk carrier, 6 months contract, Cyprus flag. Bulk carriers, 45,000 ton. You have experience with bulk carriers, 20,000, 18,000 ton, so go with Candina higher level, because soon you have seniority, and if you negotiate a bigger wage because you do have this experience, we are okay. Also, if you are from fishing, from a cruise, from general cargo, from other type of ships, and you want to jump also to those container bulk carrier 45,000 ton ships, international trades, there is also US visa and English Shakespeare necesario, required. Please apply, then we can employ you as a messman, wiper, and also ordinary sailor, mozo, camarero, y limpiador de máquinas. $1,450, then promote to AB, oiler, 1,850. Those ratings, 9 months, because we compete with Asia. But we need you to apply urgently. Also, we have these positions that I will make another video right now for Venezuela officers with or without US visa, both with English. Thank you. Muchas gracias. Aprender inglés. Tenéis manuales en Candina y en muchísimas compañías, incluso hoy en día Google también te da inteligencia artificial de cursos de inglés. Thank you. Bye, Venezuela.